Join me as I dive deep into the world of Oklo stock and challenge myself to figure out if it's really ready to explode. Oklo is a company that's been making waves in the investment landscape with its innovative nuclear technology, and it's definitely caught my attention. The nuclear sector has traditionally been challenging for new players to gain traction, and Oklo is no exception. Gaining market confidence is tough, especially when you're trying to disrupt an industry that's been dominated by traditional players for decades. Regulatory hurdles, public perception, and competition from established companies all pose significant challenges. Oklo's focus on advanced nuclear technology may be its strongest selling point, but it also means the company has to navigate complex regulatory frameworks. Investors are often wary of putting their money into companies that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, especially in a sector like nuclear where safety concerns are paramount. Oklo has to balance innovation with caution, and that's a delicate tightrope to walk. The company's ability to manage these risks will be crucial in determining its success. Gaining traction in the market requires a combination of clever marketing, strategic partnerships, and a compelling value proposition, all of which Oklo is still working to establish. Recent developments within Oklo have been intriguing, with several high-profile partnerships announced in the past year. The company has also made significant strides in advancing its nuclear technology, with new reactor designs and fuel types being developed. However, regulatory hurdles remain a major obstacle, and Oklo will need to navigate these complex frameworks to bring its products to market. The company's leadership team has a deep understanding of the challenges ahead, and they're taking a thoughtful, long-term approach to building the business. This approach may not yield immediate results, but it could pay off in the long run. Oklo is also investing heavily in research and development, which should help the company stay ahead of the curve in terms of technology. This could be a major differentiator for Oklo, especially if it can leverage its innovations to drive down costs or improve safety. The company's commitment to transparency and community engagement is also worth noting, as it helps build trust with stakeholders and demonstrates a willingness to listen and adapt. My research suggests that Oklo stock is on the verge of a significant breakthrough, driven by a combination of factors including its innovative technology, strategic partnerships, and growing demand for clean energy. The company's unique approach to nuclear power could help it carve out a niche in a crowded market, and its focus on safety and sustainability should resonate with investors who are increasingly prioritizing environmental, social, and governance considerations. The potential for Oklo to disrupt the traditional nuclear industry is huge, and the company's stock could be poised for a significant jump if it can execute on its plans. Oklo's innovative spirit and willingness to challenge conventional wisdom are major strengths, and the company's leadership team has a deep understanding of the challenges and opportunities ahead. As the world continues to transition towards cleaner, more sustainable forms of energy, companies like Oklo are likely to play an increasingly important role, and investors who get in early could be richly rewarded. In summary, Oklo stock could be poised for an explosion in value, driven by its innovative nuclear technology, strategic partnerships, and growing demand for clean energy. The company's unique approach and commitment to safety and sustainability make it an attractive option for investors who are looking for a company that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible. If you've got thoughts on Oklo stock or the future of nuclear energy, be sure to share them in the comments below. And if you're looking for more investment insights and analysis, check out my other videos for the latest news and trends from the world of finance.